Successful companies are companies that are running efficiently. Efficient lines are running because of the efficiency of their maintenance technicians. So this program gives the students the knowledge from a base level on specific repairs, for example, that would happen with reference to food processing equipment. As you can see behind me are some vertical milling machines that we will actually use for student learning to do mock repairs to get machines up and running, and that involves a technician going out and using this equipment to a level that is good for food processing.
So we have a bakery, a vegetable line, and a bottling line. On the bottling line, we have a pasteurizer that we can very much go after some of the concepts you'd see more in dairy. And just between them, we package in several different formats you'd find across many industries.
I want you to know about the different avenues that this program dives into. I want you to know about our pilot plants. I want you to know about what we have to offer here within our workshop labs. I want you to know about what we have to offer within our electrical labs, as well as our fluid power labs that we talk about pneumatics and hydraulics.
It is a very secure job.
The food industry is going to be there, it's going to be strong. The industries are getting larger, the demand is becoming higher, and the employment rates are soaring.